The BJP has sought to corner the Congress-ruled Rajasthan government over the murder of a temple priest in Karoli district of the state. The BJP has formed a 3-member committee to inquire into priest's murder. The committee has to submit its report to Rajasthan BJP chief Satish Punia. The committee members are likely to visit Karoli today. Meanwhile, targeting the Gehlot government over this incident, Punia claimed that law and order situation in the state has worsened under the Congress rule. Remember, a temple priest was allegedly burnt alive on Wednesday by a group of 6 men over a land dispute. He succumbed to burn injuries a day later. The main accused, identified as Kailash Meena, has been arrested in this case. According to the police, the accused wanted to encroach upon the land of the temple. The family of the priest, meanwhile, demands action against the SHO, compensation and a government job for a family member.
डॉक्टर साहब ने राजकीय चिकित्सालय सपोटा से सूचना दी थी कि कोई आदमी जलकर भर्ती हुआ है। हम जब वहाँ पहुँचे तो वो जलने के कारण घायल हुआ था, बयान देने की स्थिति में नहीं था। डॉक्टर साहब ने उसको रेफ़र कर दिया करौली। उसके परिजन करौली नहीं ले जाकर जयपुर ले गए और SMS से बर्न यूनिट में भर्ती करवा दिया उसको। जानकारी में यह आया कि यह बाबूलाल सनोफ पूना वैष्णव था जो मोकणा गांव के मंदिर की सेवा करता था।
पुलिस द्वारा सुरक्षा का पीड़ित परिवार को आश्वासन और पूरी व्यवस्था की गई है और जो मुलजिम है जिससे उनका पहले से विवाद था उसको कैलाश मीना नामक व्यक्ति है, उसको गिरफ्तार कर लिया।
इसका मतलब साफ है कि कानून व्यवस्था ध्वस्त हो गई, अपराधियों में भय नहीं है। और एक जो पुलिस की पंचलाइन अक्सर थानों पे लिखी होती है, अपराधियों में भय और आमजन में विश्वास। अशोक गहलोत जी की सरपरस्ती में उनके मुख्यमंत्री नहीं, उनके गृह मंत्री होते हुए भी ऐसे लगता है कि ये पंचलाइन बदल गई। अपराधी तो मस्त हैं, जनता त्रस्त है, इसलिए ये पंचलाइन बदल गई।
Devankar Vadavan is now joining us for the latest. Dev, the main accused stands to be arrested at the moment. What is it exactly that the BJP wants to probe?
Well, Cheti, there are a total of 6 accused in the case. Only the main accused has so far been arrested. There are 5 other people who are yet to be arrested. They are absconding right now. Although the district police SP, Mridul Kachawa, has formed teams to look out for the accused, but they remain scot-free as of now. Also, the BJP maintains that there is utter lawlessness in the state. There have been several cases, not just this one, there have been several cases of alleged sexual assault and crimes against women, and that is why the BJP is raising this matter and claims that this is just another matter which shows that another section of the society or another person has been at the receiving end of the kind of lawlessness that prevails in the state. Today, a 3-member team of the BJP is going to leave from Jaipur around 9:30 and will be reaching Karoli at around 12:30 in the afternoon. So a lot of politics also involved. Rajasthan Chief Minister and former Deputy Chief Minister have already tweeted about this particular case, and the Chief Minister has already promised that strict action will be taken in the matter and the accused will not be spared.
Absolutely. Stay with us right there. We'll keep coming back to you for more on the story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.